Okay, so in this video what we're going to do is calculate your break-even price. And what this basically means is if I sell my product at this price, then I basically make zero profit. If I sell 1 cent less than this price, I lose 1 cent every time I sell a product. And if I sell 1 cent above this price, I'm making profit. So it's the absolute price where we make nothing back for all of our money that we spent. In terms of the landed cost of the product, and what that is, you know, the factory price for the product. Let's say it was $5 for my item, and then the packaging was $1, and the label was included in that $1. So my item cost me $6, right? The freight ended up being $1 a unit, so 6 plus 1. My landed cost is now $7 for my item. So basically, landed cost is all of the costs of the product, the packaging, the labels, the freight, the taxes, the duties to get it into Amazon. That's the landed cost, and that's $7 in this example. And then the Amazon fees for my particular product, if I'm selling it for $12, the Amazon fees are $5. So 12 minus the Amazon fees of 5 minus the $7 it costs me to get my product into Amazon, I make zero profit. And I'm just going to run through an example on a spreadsheet so you can see more clearly. Okay, so let's say I'm selling a table mat set. I've bought 1,000 units for my first order. Yeah, 1,000 units for my first order, and I've paid $5 a unit. So my subtotal cost so far is 1,000 times 5. So I spent $5,000 on my product. The labels, the box and everything was 50 cents. The freight costs, well, they ended up just charging me $1,245.21, but I also had to pay $321.54 in duties and taxes. Okay, so what we want now is the total. So I think it's this sum. Yep, okay. So it cost me $7,066.75 for all my product 1,000 units to come in. Remember, the freight cost would, and the duties, taxes, and tariffs and everything would be split across the 1,000. So per unit, that is equal to this number. Whoops. We've gone wrong. Let's do it again. Equals sum. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing it so badly on Google Sheets, but I'm going to correct it. Okay. So basically this is equal to this number divided by 1,000 units, right? So every unit cost me $7.07. And excuse my lack of skill there with Google Sheets for a minute. Okay, so my landed cost per unit is $7.07. And then if I sell this product on Amazon for $12, then the fees, the Amazon fees per unit are going to be exactly $4.93. Okay, so my break-even cost is the cost of the product, all the shipping, all the labels, duties, taxes, plus the Amazon fees I need to pay for each one that ships out, and it's $12. I'm not counting in advertising spend here. I'm not counting in storage fees. I'm not counting in my computer cost. But you could calculate everything you've spent and divide it by the number of units, and that will give you the number. And this is just an indication, right? And why do we need the break-even number? Because basically, if I now list this product on Amazon for $12, every time I sell one, I get all my money back that I spent to get that product there to Amazon. And sometimes we need to keep the product price low at the start to be able to get sales moving. So without knowing this number, how do you know what price you should set it? If I said, okay, I'm just going to sell it for $8 because I bought each product for $5. So if I sell for $8, I'll be making a profit, right? No, you're losing money. Why? Because it actually costs you $12 to get the product into Amazon plus the Amazon fees. Every time you ship one, you need $12 back to make profit. If I list for $8, I'm losing money. So when we're doing promotions and launches, sometimes what we do is we do for 2 to 4 weeks, we reduce the price as low as we can just to help sales move forward. So let's say all my competition here are $25 a unit. My break-even's 12. I might start a price of $14.97 when I'm launching because it's above my break-even. I'm only making a tiny profit and I'm way below the competitors, right? You need to know this number to know where you can stay, where you're not losing money or not losing too much. If you have to price at $7 because your competitors are all at 10, then you did something wrong before you even ordered. Why? Because you shouldn't have a product cost so high when the competition's so low. We should be aiming for markets where the price is $17 plus, and so you should have a comfortable amount of space to put your product above a break-even price. So you're making some profit even when you're launching. So in this case, let's say we list for $12.95. We're making less than $1 an item, but this is only for the first month while we're getting off the ground. Now we have the break-even, we can start to do the launch process, and we'll go through that in the following videos.